Learn how to make the fluffiest and the most tender brioche bread at home with this easy to follow recipe. This bread is rich, buttery flavor, and has tender crumbs. The moment of truth arrives when you take that perfectly baked brioche out of the oven The golden brown crust glistens in the light, and the aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air. When you slice into it and see that fluffy interior, you'll know it was all worth it. Making brioche is all about combining simple ingredients, mixing and rising, and baking to perfection. With this recipe, you'll be able to achieve that perfect loaf every time. Thank you guys for watching. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more delicious recipes and easy to follow tutorials. Please do like, share, and subscribe.